Geriatric nursing, a comprehensive overview. Geriatric nursing is a specialized field within nursing that focuses on providing healthcare to elderly patients. As the global population ages, the demand for skilled geriatric nurses continues to grow. These healthcare professionals play a crucial role in ensuring the well-being, quality of life, and independence of older adults. The role of a geriatric nurse. Geriatric nurses are trained to understand the unique health issues and needs of older adults. They work in various settings, including hospitals, nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and in-home care. Their responsibilities include assessing the health status of elderly patients, developing care plans, administering medications, providing treatments, and offering emotional support to patients and their families. One of the key aspects of geriatric nursing is the management of chronic conditions. Elderly patients often suffer from multiple chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, and heart disease. Geriatric nurses must have a thorough understanding of these conditions and be skilled in managing complex medication regimens, monitoring for side effects, and adjusting treatments as necessary. Challenges in geriatric nursing. Geriatric nursing presents several unique challenges. Older adults often have multiple comorbidities, making their care more complex. Cognitive impairments, such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease, are common and require specialized care approaches. Geriatric nurses must be adept at recognizing the early signs of these conditions and providing appropriate interventions to manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Another significant challenge is the psychosocial aspect of aging. Elderly patients may experience feelings of loneliness, depression, and anxiety. Geriatric nurses need to address these emotional and mental health needs, often working closely with mental health professionals, social workers, and families to provide comprehensive care. Palliative and end-of-life care. A critical component of geriatric nursing is palliative and end-of-life care. Geriatric nurses are trained to provide compassionate care that focuses on relieving symptoms, pain management, and improving the quality of life for patients with terminal illnesses. They support patients and families through the difficult process of end-of-life decision-making, ensuring that care aligns with the patient's wishes and ethical considerations. Fall prevention and mobility enhancement. Falls are a leading cause of injury and loss of independence among older adults. Geriatric nurses play a vital role in fall prevention through assessing risk factors, implementing safety measures, and educating patients and caregivers about strategies to maintain mobility and prevent falls. This includes exercises to improve strength and balance, as well as modifications to the living environment to reduce hazards. Conclusion. Geriatric nursing is a rewarding and challenging specialty that requires a deep understanding of the aging process and the unique healthcare needs of older adults. Geriatric nurses are essential in managing chronic conditions, addressing cognitive and emotional health, providing palliative care, and enhancing the quality of life for elderly patients.